microorganismos que se adaptan a vivir.
Ah, sí.
Esta parte verde que
Sí,
ves,
ajá.
ahí están. Sí.
He says that there's microorganisms that have evolved to be able to live in this
Wow.
spot. Those green things, that's like those bacteria there.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, interesting. I have to know if I can have a bath.
You'll burn yourself to death.
They're very interesting, eh? Look how they are in the back there. Like, look at the ones in the back, Danielle. It looks like inviting to go back there, eh? You think, I'll just take a nice bath.
Except it's boiling water, you know?
Oh my gosh, look at it. Isn't that amazing?
It's pretty amazing.
Ask him if in the old days people used to cook food
On this?
in it.
No. I thought really, just kidding.
No, I do want you to ask him because I think that they might have.
Ella quiere saber si en los días al pasado si la gente cocina, yo no sé, cosas en esta. Como pone algo sobre esto para cocinar.
Come a chicken. Bok, bok, bok.
Como yo. No es posible. It's not possible. How?
No, maybe they got a strain.